A man who had gone out of his town came back and found that his house was on fire. It was one of the most beautiful houses in the town, and the man loved the house the most. Many were ready to pay double the price for the house, but he had never agreed for any price, and now it was just burning before his eyes. Thousands of people had gathered, but nothing could be done. The fire had spread so far that even if he tried to put it out, nothing would be saved. So he became very sad. His son came running and whispered something in his ear. "Don't be worried. I sold it yesterday and at a very good price. 3 times. The offer was so good I could not wait for you. Please forgive me." Father said, "Thank God it is not ours now." Then the father was relaxed and happy and became a silent watcher just like thousands of other watchers. After a while, the second son came running and he said to the father, "What are you doing? You're smiling and the house is on fire." The father said, "Don't you know your brother has sold it?" The son said, "We have taken only an advance amount, not settled fully. I doubt now that the man is going to purchase it." Again, everything changed. Tears which had disappeared came back to the father's eyes. His smile was no more there. His heart was beating fast. The watcher was gone. Again, he was attached. After a while, the third son came and he said, "That man is a man of his word. I have just come from him. He said, 'It doesn't matter whether the house is burnt or not, it is mine, and I'm going to pay the price that I had settled for.' Neither you knew nor I knew that the house would catch fire." Again, the joy was back and the family became watchers. The attachment was no more there. What was changing? Actually, nothing was changing. Just the feeling that I am the owner or I am not the owner of the house made the world difference. Thus, the Bhagavad Gita says, "Uddharedatmanatmanam natmanam avasadayet atmaiva yatmano bandhur atmaiva ripuratmanaha bandhuratmatmanastasya yenatmaivatmana jitah anatmanastu shatrutve vartetatmaiva shatruvat." One must deliver himself with the help of his mind and not degrade himself. The mind is the friend of the conditioned soul and his enemy as well. For him who has conquered the mind is the best of friends. But for one who has failed to do so, his mind will remain the greatest enemy. We have got enough control over our outer world. However, we have a little control over our inner world. Let us now get control over our inner world and become more truly happy and satisfied.